Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the image encryption. This is basically the image encryption project and we will see how this implementation goes. First of all, we know that image encryption is very important in information security and many other fields. So it also has very far more importance when it comes to the industrial level. So in this lecture we will implement the logistic map regression or logistic map chaos on the images which we have. We will implement that algorithm on 5 images. First of all, we have I have opened the Google Colab. Now you can see this algorithm is written in totally in Python. Now let's see. First we will import those libraries which are important for the image encryption, and after that we have downloaded those images which we are going to encrypt and decrypt using the logistic map. Okay, we have downloaded those images and now we will see. Okay, now here in this block you can see that I have defined a function. What this function means? This function is getting the image name which I have downloaded in the previous cell. You can see that, and once this image is downloaded, this function goes to the next cell, and in this cell we can see that the new function is defined which names get image matrix. So this function will make the color of that image into grayscale image. Okay, now next I have defined a function which will implement the encryption on that image with some key. You can see that key is defined over here, and now this function will apply the encryption on that image. Okay, and in this cell I have defined the image which will decrypt that encrypted image through the same key which we have already defined in the previous cell. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, in this cell I have defined the image, and you can see in double quotes the name of the image is defined. In the next line the extension of that image is defined. Okay, now through matplotlib we have shown that image. Okay, here is the important part of that encryption process. Logistic encryption is applied on that image. You can see the image name with the extension of that image, and also the key which we have already defined in the previous cell. Okay, this is the key for that image which will be applied for the encryption process. Now the image is in the encrypted form. In the next